Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Software Testing. My name is Knott and I'm happy that you're here. If you're a follower of my YouTube channel, you know that I like to show new tools that I find or that I have found in the software testing community or somewhere online. And usually these are tools that are really helpful for us as software testers. You can also check up the video that I created a couple of weeks ago about 5 tools that every software tester should know, because I think they're really helpful in our daily lives as software testers. And the same thing happened, or is actually the content for this video today. It's about Dashcam, dashcam.io. I think it's already in the video title, so you can guess already what maybe Dashcam is all about. And so if you are familiar with car dashcams, if not, I can briefly explain it to you. So a car dashcam is a usual like a camera that you mount in front of on your windshield that is recording the stuff that is going to happen on the street. And in case of an accident, you have a video coverage of the accident and can send it over to the police and say, hey, it wasn't me, it was somebody else's fault that the crash happened. And that's basically what you can do with the Dashcam.io tool that I'm going to show you today, and I'll give you some more updates on that one as well, because the claim is from Dashcam.io is never miss another bug. And the idea of the tool is that you install it and that it's recording your screen. So whatever you're doing, it's being recorded, saved on your machine, and then while using it, doing some testing sessions, some testing activities, and a bug occurs, you have the recording available. And that's really cool, because I mean, I think we all have been in the situation that you have like you're testing in a test session, in an exploratory testing session, or in any kind of way you test your software product, that we find something really weird, but we cannot reproduce it, or it's really hard to reproduce, but we have it on video. And that's the cool thing with Dashcam. So it's not only like recording it, afterwards you can also crop the video, edit the video, upload it, share it with your team members, and there are even many more information that you can get from the video actually. And yeah, this is what I would like to show you today with that video. And without further ado, let's take a quick look at dashcam.io, where you can find like all information about the tool. And then of course I signed up for it, I tried it out, and I would like to show you like hands-on how the tool is actually working. So we are here on the Dashcam.io website. As always, you find everything in the video description. So it says it's free desktop app. Yes, it's free. You can download it for Mac with an Intel processor or with a Mac Apple Silicon, but I think it's also available for Windows systems as well. So on here it says, capture the steps to reproduce every bug every time with Dashcam for desktop. There's like a little demo video. We skip that because I'm going to show you what's going to happen with the tool. Above they have some use cases described, so their target audience is not only us software testers, but also developers, product managers, or maybe you have a completely different need for that tool when you would like to record something off your screen. So go try it out and see what can you do with it. So what else? Put an end to it works on my machine statement. So it's hard to describe bugs often, and it's impossible to recreate them. And that's therefore the Dashcam, what is the purpose all about, right? So you can capture clips, you can share the steps, or you can share the video, and you have like a really good quality in terms of you can find the bugs, or you can show the bugs to your teammates, to developers, and they can fix it much faster. What else? So it can be recorded locally and you can share it. I will show that to you in a second. And there's lots of more information here as well. So there's also some testimonials on the site for you to know. There is a disclaimer. I mean, some videos that I do on my channel are like ads. So company come to me and ask me, hey, can you talk about our product, and can you share your thoughts about the product, and I get like a little fee for that one. This one is completely unpaid, so I have done it on my own. I just found the tool online. I think it's really helpful, and yeah, so that's why I'm talking about it today. So that's basically it. You have also some more solution information about what you can do with it. You have some developer information, which is kind of interesting because what I've seen in documentation also says that Dashcam IO has an SDK that you can integrate into your product. So in case an error occurs on your application, you can ask the customers to send the video or send the video recording of it. Not sure if how this is going to work with data protection issues. So if you record user sessions, but maybe I completely don't get what's behind that. I haven't tried this one out as well. What I can see here from a pricing point of view, what I have seen, it's completely free. It's at the moment it's completely free. They have some pro functionalities with when it comes to team collaboration and also the frames per second that you can record on the video side. But from the use case that I have seen, it's a completely free one, and it's perfect for you to try out. Yeah. So once you have downloaded it, you can download from here. I already installed it, so you get also some introduction how to download. So it's fairly easy. I've done it. I mean, it's simple downloading, following the instructions. You have to enable video recording on the screen and also some accessibility tools. But this is a few clicks. And then you have Dashcam in your system tray, basically. It's a little tiny icon, and if you open it up, oh, that's wrong. It's kind of cropped because I captured the wrong part of the screen. I'm not using Dashcam for this right now, so maybe I should use it. But you can see here, you can select basically the screen that you would like to record. In my case, it's my Mac system here. So you can just say, okay, click that button. And we are already recording, as you can see here. So we are recording now what we are doing. So we can now close it. It's running in the system tray. And now you can do whatever you'd like to do. So let's say, for example, we open a web page and we go to my blog, which is Adventures in QA. We do some things. So it's loading. Yes, we consent. Of course, we accept cookies. We go to my publication list. So we can browse through it, so we search for it. We can go here and search for, I don't know, software testing. Oops. Testing, we search something, and everything is being recorded. And let's assume, oh, there's a bug that we found while searching for something. And we can say, okay, let's pause the recording. So we hit this button here. And as you can see here, we already have the video available. So it's 50 seconds video. So we have some options. We can delete this if we would like to. We have some further information. It says, okay, recorded with Dashcam, browser is Safari. And if we click on that one here as well, we get a video basically of Dashcam and interface. Yeah. So this is the interface of Dashcam. We can see what we have done here. As you can see here, we can move the slider for like editing the video, which I think is really cool. So let's say we would like to have this part here. We click on crop. Now it's cropping the video. Then we have to wait a few seconds until this is finished. So it's done. Yes, we are done in this case. So we can either say save the clip. So if we hit the save button, we save it on our local system. So we have a document here. So we have a replays folder in the Dashcam folder, and then we have the video. So we have an MP4 file here. Additionally, we also have an animated GIF that you can use for, I don't know, any kind of ticketing system to upload it there from there, which is cool. But I know that the animated GIF is used for something else, for the platform that you can use. And so that's really cool. So the cool thing is, in terms of privacy concerns, everything is happening on your local system. So that's the cool part. However, if you would like to collaborate with your teammates, maybe working in a remote environment with your teammates, you can also upload it to the backend system or the backend web part of Dashcam IO. And we can quickly show that. So we click here, upload. So before that, I created already a demo project. As you can see here, we are here in this browser now. So you can see here, it says, okay, we have Safari. Okay, it's German Startseite, like which means main page. You can see the clip that I created. You can see that one. And the cool thing is now that on the right hand side you can see like when you have done it. So like today, it's saved in a demo project. We can add some additional information, what you would like to save, like give some information regarding the video. We see some information about the computer. So in my case, it's a Mac system. We get information about the operating system. We get information about the memory. We get information about the CPU. So all kinds of system relevant information that we can get from the tool for free, basically. Yeah, and then we can hit the save button here as well. So everything is saved, and then we can also go to the dashboard of Dashcam, and here you can see it's app.dashcam.io. We have the demo projects. If we click here, now we can see the animated GIFs that I mentioned before, that are used for like seeing, okay, I have done some videos and I get like a glimpse of what is behind that video. Yeah, so that's what you can see in case you signed up for the system and you would like to use the shared functionality of this tool. The cool thing is about also here you can go and download, or not download, but you can create a team. So you can give a team name. You can also generate an invite link so that you can send invite to your teammates and that you can work in a more collaborative way together on that system, which I think is really cool. We have the documentation over here. So we have like first starting points, how to use it, what are the settings. So everything is really well described. We can just go ahead and find out everything about it. Also, there are like lots of information regarding security and privacy. So how Dashcam actually works and this kind of stuff. And yeah, I think that's a really cool thing. So you can just like use it, for example, in case you are doing like exploratory testing sessions and you are lazy to take some notes or to do some screenshots. You just hit okay, Dashcam start now. You can also configure it to say that okay, it's recording for 1 hour, and after this hour, if you don't do anything with it, it's also removing the storage again for the the files from your hard drive, so you don't like waste your hard disk drive and you don't eat up the storage of your system as well. So that's really cool. So go ahead, try it out. I think it's really helpful. I will definitely try it out in one of my like upcoming test sessions that I'm going to participate, because I think it's pretty helpful to see like what you're doing, what I have done. In case I have an issue, you can share the video really quickly with your teams or with your team members. In case you don't want to sign up for the backend system or the backend part of Dashcam, you can also use it locally. Have the empty MP4 file uploaded to a ticketing system, but with that you don't get the additional information about your system. This is then something you have to type in the ticketing system, but that's up to you. Yeah, so in case you would like to try it out, follow the video description. There are some links to the tool. As always, leave me a thumbs up, leave a subscription if you like the tool or if you like the video for today. Let me know in the comments what do you think about the tool, or do you have any other tools that are similar to Dashcam. I would love to know more about it, and maybe to share more tools with you that might be helpful and to make our lives easier as software testers. Thank you. Bye bye.